Welcome back, traders, to another exciting video. Today we're diving into the world of financial markets to answer a question that many aspiring investors ask. What is easier, forex or stocks? Forex and stocks are both popular investment options that offer the potential for profits. Each market has its own unique characteristics, advantages, and risks. In this video, we'll break down the key differences between forex and stocks to help you decide which one might be easier for you to trade. So let's get started. Forex, also known as foreign exchange, is the largest financial market globally, where currencies are traded 24/5. It is highly liquid, meaning there's always a buyer and seller for every currency pair, making it easy to enter and exit trades. Forex trading is relatively easy to understand, operating based on supply and demand dynamics. Traders can use technical analysis to identify trends and patterns, aiding their decision-making process. Leverage is a key feature of forex trading, allowing traders to control larger positions with a small investment. While this can lead to significant profits, it's important to remember that it also amplifies the risk of losses if the market moves against you. Now let's explore stock trading. Unlike forex, the stock market operates during specific hours and involves buying and selling shares of publicly traded companies. One advantage of stock trading is the wealth of information available about publicly traded companies. This includes financial statements, earnings reports, and analyst reports, helping investors make informed decisions. However, stock trading can be more challenging. The market is subject to volatility, and prices can fluctuate rapidly based on various factors, making predictions more difficult. Despite the challenges, stock trading can be less risky than forex trading, as you can only lose the amount invested in a particular stock. So, which is easier to trade, forex or stocks? The answer lies in your individual preferences and risk tolerance. Forex offers simplicity and liquidity, but also higher risk. On the other hand, stock trading demands more research, but can provide a safer investment environment. Remember, successful trading requires knowledge, practice, and a well-thought-out strategy. Whether you choose forex or stocks, always approach the markets with caution and continuous learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time, happy trading. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video and gained valuable insights. Remember to stay informed and make well-informed decisions as you venture into the exciting world of trading. Happy investing.